Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing your footage and setting the project frame rate to match the source so subtitles sync. Drag the primary clip on a track 1 and play through to note where dialogue begins and ends. Use markers to pin timestamps. Once done, trim any dead space and separate sections that need different subtitle timing. Make sure audio levels are consistent, because clear audio helps you type accurate captions. This gets you ready to create precise, timed subtitles without rework. You add subtitles by dragging a subtitle title preset above the clip and then double-clicking to edit. Type the first line and position its in and out points directly on the timeline or enter exact timecodes for frame-perfect timing. Once the text is placed, adjust font size, color, and background box so readability is high against the footage, and enable subtle fades for smoother transitions. Make sure to split title segments at sentence breaks to avoid long lines, and keep reading speed comfortable. You finish by previewing the entire project to confirm subtitle sync and readability, making adjustments where lines overlap or read too fast. Export with the same frame rate and codec as your source. Choose burned-in subtitles if the player won't support separate caption files, or export SRT for flexibility. If timing drifts after export, reopen the timeline and verify the project frame rate matches the original footage. Then retime the few title clips that move.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.